Hello friends, so welcome to Crypto the One Stop Solution, and in this video we are going to discuss the top panel of the TradingView. So starting with the first icon. So this is the first icon. Here you can see that if the icon is showing any letter, then it indicates that the account has been logged in. Second tab is the name of the token and the pair. So for example, this token is FTT in BSUSD pair, that is Binance dollar pair, and the token name is FTT. So this shows the symbol of the chart. Let's say I want to change the name of the symbol, for example BTC USDT. So this shows the BTC USDT, and this is the pair, and this is the exchanges on which this pair is listed upon. So for example, this pair is listed on Binance, KuCoin, BingX, CoinX, etc. So for example, I want to see the chart of BTC in USDT pair on Binance exchange. So click on this icon. So this is changed. So this symbol is of Bitcoin, BTC and USDT pair on Binance exchange. Next is the compare or add symbol. So let us say I want to compare the Bitcoin chart with respect to Ethereum. So click on add, type Ethereum USDT. So this pair, you can see that this pair has been listed upon KuCoin, Binance, BingX, etc. So the earlier chart was Bitcoin in Binance exchange. So let us compare the Bitcoin chart with respect to Ethereum chart on Binance exchange. So click on Ethereum. So the existing chart was Bitcoin, and this new chart is of Ethereum. So the orange color line shows the chart of Ethereum, and the normal candlestick chart shows the chart of Bitcoin. So this is the compare option. We can compare two or more tokens on this option. So this is the plus symbol to compare two or more symbols. Next is the time frame of the given chart. So we have multiple time frame like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and so on. So this is the default time frame which is available on tradingview.com, that is free of cost. So let us say I want to change the time frame. Here in this case, you can see that this is 5 minutes and this is blue in color. That shows that this time frame has been implemented. So the given time frame is 5 minutes. I want to change the time frame from 5 minutes to 1 minute, suppose. So click on this 1 minute, and this 1 minute chart will be implemented. So in that case, each and every candlestick will be of 1 minute. So currently the time is 11:59. So this is the candle which is being generated of 1 minute. So this was previous minute candle. This was previous minute 11:57, 11:56, 11:55, and so on. So in every 1 minute, one new candlestick has been generated. So this shows the indication and the representation of 1 minute chart. So let us say I want to change the time from 1 minute to 1 day. So click on 1 day and remove this. So this is the Bitcoin chart of 1 day. So that means each and every candle is being generated on every 1 day. So this is of 24th December, this is of 23rd December, this is of 22nd December, and so on. We can expand this to have the more clear representation of the candle. So for example, let us understand this candle. Okay, let us now understand the significance of one candle. So this is the candle that is being taken into consideration. This is candle of 20th December 22. So what is the meaning of this candle? So this candle shows that the price opening was $16,442 and the end price was $16,898. And the highest the price went up till $17,065, and the lowest the price went till $16,393 on 20th December 22. So this is the significance of one candle which is of 1 day time frame. So let us take one more example. For example, take this candle. Alright, so the candle taken into consideration is 18th December. The price has went down because the color of the candle is red. The highest price that went was $16,862, and the lowest price that went was $16,663, and the opening price was $16,775 and the closing price was $16,736. And this is the candle of 18th December 22 of Bitcoin. So this is a 1-day candle, and we have 4 data values of this 1-day candle. So if you want to analyze the further price movement of that day, then we can move from 1-day time frame to a low time frame, so that we can know the exact time frame what happened to Bitcoin price action on that particular day in the lower time frames. Next is the candles. So this is the normal candlestick chart. Let's say we want to change the candlestick from bars, candles, hollow candles, column, line. For example, I want to change the Bitcoin chart from candles to line. So you can click on this icon and click on this icon. So simply this will show the line chart of Bitcoin. Similarly, area. This is the area option, baseline, high, low, Heikin-Ashi. So all these options of candlestick representation are available from this option. Next is for the technical analysis, you can use indicators. So let's say one indicator is RSI, that is Relative Strength Index. Second indicator is let's say MACD. So these are two most popular indicators that has been used for day trading from the analyst. So we have two indicators, that is RSI and MACD. We can change the setting of RSI from this option. Click on this setting icon near to RSI, and you can change the time frame, length, source, MA type, MA length, etc. and all the various parameters which are connected to the RSI option from this menu. So these are input. We have styles for the representation of this indicator and visibility. So these are the various settings for the RSI indicator. In the same way, we have various settings for MACD indicator like inputs, style and visibility. We have various options such as time frame, fast length, slow length, source, signal smoothing, etc., which are various options available for the MACD indicator. Next is the indicator templates. So let us say we have implemented some 3 indicators and some settings have been done on a particular chart. Then we can save that template over here, and when we want to retrieve the template without changing the settings and the indicator types for another chart, then we can retrieve that template from this option. Next is alert menu. So let's say I want to give an alert if certain condition is fulfilled, then that can be implemented from this alert menu. Next one is replay. So this is a premium option. So this is popularly used for backtesting purposes, and this can regenerate the graph from the certain time. So let's say if we are in a 5-minute time frame, I want to backtest this result. So let's say this data is not available. So for example, let's say after this data is not available, I want to backtest this. So in that case, let us make one vertical line, and from the backtest vertical line, we can see how the price action has been moved, and we can fast forward and rewind the price action using this bar replay option. This is a premium option. I don't have a premium, so with the help of premium option, you can use the bar replay and do the backtesting of the candlestick chart patterns using this bar replay options. Next one is undo and redo. So undo is Control Z. Simply the action can be undo from this option, and this is redo option. Next is a select layout. So this is a single frame layout, double frame layout, horizontal, vertical. Likewise, we have multiple chart, we have multiple layouts. So if I want to analyze from 1 to 4 charts or 4 to 5 charts, then we can use various layout from this option. Next is auto save, sharing, rename, make a copy, export chart data, new layout and load layout. So these are various options connected to layouts. Next one is search. So this is very helpful to search any tool or function. Directly you can search a tool and function, and this will pop up, and click on this and that will be implemented. Next is settings. This is purely for appearance point of view. We have various symbol settings, status line, scale, appearance, trading and events. So these are various chart settings which are available in TradingView. So for example, if I want to change the color of the body, green color is applied for the positive side and red is for the negative side. We can change the color. We can change the border. So by default, the border of a green candle is applied green and the border of a red candle is applied red. We can change the color of the border as well. We can change the color of the wick. So for example, I want white color and opacity is 100. Again, white color, or let's say black color because the background is white. So select black and OK. So here you can see that the wicks are in black color now. So that's how you can change the appearance of the chart pattern from this option. So likewise, we have other options like status line, scales, appearance. So let's say I want to add some horizontal lines. So click on this, click on red, click on 100% or 50% opacity to generate horizontal line and OK. So that's how you can generate horizontal line across the chart. And let's say in the same way we want to generate a vertical line, then you can select, let's say, green color, select the opacity and click on OK. So that's a vertical line has been generated from the, so this horizontal line shows the difference of price action and the vertical lines show the difference of timings. So for example, this line is of at 12 o'clock, this line is at 3 o'clock and likewise. So the difference between two vertical lines is of 3 hours and difference in this case of two horizontal line is of $10. Next is the full screen mode. So if you want to analyze the chart pattern across the full screen, then in that case we can use this option. So if I click on this, the shortcut to enter into a full screen mode is Shift plus F. So that's how you can enter into full screen mode. Next is to take a snapshot. So if any analysis is done on the chart pattern, then you can take a snapshot and share on social media or share on the community, or you can copy or save that snapshot into local folder. And next is publish. So publish option is used to share your idea with the trade community. So that option is very helpful so that we can share our ideas and thoughts to the community and we can receive feedbacks on our thoughts. So that's it for this video. I hope you got some useful content and I'll see you in the next one.